Hi, hello, welcome back. So today we are with a new question which is related to interview question series for medical coders, which is completely related to UAE guidelines. So UAE guidelines related questions which they can ask for freshers during medical coding interview. We have added a few questions. In that, question number 6: describe the process of coding outpatient visit in a clinic in the UAE. I'll repeat: describe the process of coding outpatient visit in a clinic in UAE. So, today we will be discussing about this question. If you haven't watched previous question, I'll add the iCard. Please do check it. So, answer: coding outpatient visit in a clinic in UAE involves several steps to ensure accurate documentation, appropriate billing, and compliance with local healthcare regulation. The process must follow international coding system, that is ICD-10 CPT and HCPCS. So first comes documentation, patient visit and documentation. The process starts when a patient visits a clinic for a consultation, treatment, or diagnostic service. The healthcare provider, that is a physician or specialist, document the patient complaints, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment plan, procedure during the visit. This documentation forms helps in selecting the appropriate diagnosis as well as procedure code. After documentation, second step is assigning diagnosis code, that is ICD-10 code. So usually we use ICD-10 for diagnosis coding. In UAE, coder must ensure that most specific diagnosis codes are selected to reflect the patient's clinical situation accurately. If a patient visits for hypertension, you have to use the guideline and code it correctly. Third comes assigning procedure code, that is CPT or HCPCS. CPT code represents the procedure or service provided during the outpatient. This includes office visit, diagnostic test, minor surgery or treatment, immunization, wound care, etc. Coder must review the documentation very clearly and should choose the code. Fourth comes checking for the modifiers. Coders may need to apply CPT modifiers to clarify specific circumstances regarding the procedure. For example, if whether modifier 25 can be used or modifier 59 can be used. So you must know the modifiers very clearly, then only you can assign the modifiers based on the documentation. Next comes ensure compliance with coding guidelines. Coders must ensure that their coding is compliant with local DHA, HAD and MOHAP, Ministry of Health and Prevention guidelines. These guidelines often outline requirements for claim submission and medical necessity documentation. UAE authorities have specific rules about which codes are covered under certain circumstances. Next comes coding for medical necessity. The selected codes must reflect medical necessity, meaning that the services and procedure performed must be reasonable and necessary for diagnosis or treatment of the patient. So the correct choosing of ICD-10, CPT, HCPCS is very much important. The seventh one is claim submission to the insurance. After coding is completed, the clinic submit the claim to the patient insurance provider. The claim form, usually it will be in electronic format, include all necessary diagnosis and procedure code along with modifiers. The insurance company review the claim to determine whether the service meet the payer's coverage policies. And next is handling denial or rejection. Suppose the coder had made any mistakes or errors, so that if it is getting rejected, what is the next step? If the claim is rejected or denied due to coding error, missing documentation, lack of medical necessity, the coder must review the feedback from the insurance and need to do the necessary correction and resubmit the claim. 9 comes maintaining coding accuracy and compliance. In coding, accuracy is very much important. So coders in UAE must ensure ongoing education and stay updated on the latest challenges to coding standards. Like you should attend all the webinars, seminars and all. Then you will be knowing all the changes that is happening. So regular audits and review of coding accuracy helps in maintain proper accuracy. So coding outpatient visit in UAE involves several steps from reviewing documentation, coding and claim submission. So that's all about today's topic. So you can make a note of it and keep, or you can understand. This is very simple. Just note down the heading points alone and just prepare for that. So whenever you receive a question like this, you can answer it in a confident way. So that's all about. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends also. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.